Raina's mother, she is very excited because she has fetched a good news which she wants to share with her daughter Raina. She is saying that the Bulgarian troop is triumphant over the Serbian troop. 1885, the war between Bulgaria and Serbia broke. This is a fiction. This is not history. The playwright, he has narrated that 1885 war broke out between Bulgaria and Serbia. In your book Serbia, Serbia, it is the actual spelling, but I have seen that in your book V for victory they have mentioned. But when I was doing my MA, this play, this drama, it was in my MA when I was studying. So I have already read this drama when I was doing my master degree. The original play or the drama of G.V. Shaw, it is written Serbia, Serbia, but in your book it is written Serbia. No problem, whatever it is written in your book, you just go through it, Serbia. And Catherine, why she is happy? Because her would-be son-in-law, he is an officer, army officer on behalf of Bulgarian troop, and it is, the credit goes to him actually, and that is why she is very happy and she is sharing her joy and happiness with Raina, because this person, this gentleman, Sergius, his name is Sergius. So Sergius is Raina's would-be husband. They are engaged, and within short span of time or within few days or shortly they are going to get married. So guys, I'm going to read the chapter only page 1092 to page 112, because it's a drama long, so that's why I don't want to exaggerate my teaching and exaggerate your study also. That is why I'm going to read before you open page number 109 and listen to my reading carefully. Night, a lady's bedchamber in Bulgaria, in a small town near the Dragoban Pass. It is late in November in the year 1885, and through an open window with a little balcony on the left can be seen a peak of the Balkans, wonderfully white and beautiful in the starlit snow. On the balcony, a young lady, intensely conscious of the romantic beauty of the night and of the fact that her own young and beauty is a part of it, is on the balcony gazing at the snowy Balkans. Her reverie is interrupted by her mother, Catherine Petkov, a woman over 40. The surname of Raina or surname of Catherine, that is Petkov. In the character, whatever you have noted down, you can write Catherine Petkov, Raina Petkov. They are Petkov family. Catherine entering hastily, full of good news. Raina, such news, there has been a better. Raina, her eyes dilating. Ah, Catherine, a great battle at Silvitza, a victory, and it was won by Sergius. He is the hero of the hour, the idol of the regiment. Raina, tell me, how was he? Estatican, oh mother. Raina pulls her mother down on the ottoman and they kiss one another frantically. Catherine, with surging enthusiasm. You can't guess how splendid it is. A cavalry chase. Think of that. He defied our Russian commanders, acted without orders, led a charge on his own responsibility, headed it himself, was the first man to sweep through their guns. Can't you see it, Raina? Our gallant, splendid Bulgarians with their swords and eyes flashing, thundering down like an avalanche and scattering the watched Serbian dandies like chaff. And you kept Sergius waiting. A year before you would be betrothed to him. Oh, if you have a drop of Bulgarian blood in your veins, you will worship him when he comes back. Raina, I am so happy, so proud. She rises and walks about excitedly, and yet to think I doubted him. I wonder whether all his heroic qualities and his soldiership might not prove mere imagination when he went into a real battle. Catherine, doubted him? Shame on you. Raina, laughing and sitting down again. Yes, I was only a prosaic little coward. Oh, to think that it was all true, that Sergius is just as splendid and noble as he looks. What happiness! What unspeakable fulfillment! Luca, a maid. Here it is written maid servant, but you will write maid. A maid servant. If you please, madam, all the windows are to be closed and the shutters made fast. They say there may be shooting in the streets. Raina and Catherine rise together, alarmed. The Serbians are being chased right back through the pass, and they say they may run into the town. Our cavalry will be after them, and our people will be ready for them. You may be sure now that they are running away. She goes out on the balcony and pulls the outside shutters, then steps back into the room. Luca, secretly to Raina, if you would like the shutter open, just give them a push, like this. She pushes them, they open. She pulls them to again. One of them ought to be bolted at the bottom, but the bolt's gone. Catherine, authoritatively turning on her way to the door. Oh no, dear. Oh, you must keep them fastened. You would be sure to drop off to sleep and leave them open. Make them fast, Luca. Raina, left alone, goes to the chest drawer and adores the portrait there with feelings that are beyond all expression. She takes it in her hands and elevates it like a priestess. Raina, looking up at the picture with worship. Oh, I shall never be unworthy of you any more, my hero. Never, never, never. A distant shot breaks the quiet of the night outside. She starts listening, and two more shots, much nearer, follow, startling her so that she scrambles out of bed and hastily blows out the candle on the chest of drawers. Then, putting her fingers in her ears, she runs to the dressing table and blows out the light there and hurries back to bed. The room is now in darkness. The firing breaks out again. There is a startling fusillade quite close at hand. Whilst it is still echoing, the shutters disappear, pulled open from without, and for an instant the rectangle of snowy starlight flashed out with the figure of a man in black upon it.